Now, here's an example of some of those low walls. I've taken these pictures at various job sites. These are fabricated on site. There's not many companies that actually make a prefabricated. There's a couple that make prefabricated, but a lot of times these are made on the job site. And so you see those examples. I see these egg crates out there in the market, and I don't know if you can really see that from your perspective, but there's about a quarter of an inch or more reveal inside of every one of those egg crates. And I don't like cleaning stuff, right? I'm never going to be a good person to clean a clean room. It's just not going to happen for me. You can ask my wife, she'll verify that I'm not a good cleaner. But this egg crate, as an example, is just going to be a nightmare. But I see a lot of these out there. So difficult to clean. And where do you see the specifications for all of this? In the mechanical plan. So if you're working currently with an architect or an engineer, you got a set of A sheets, M sheets, E sheets, and P sheets. That's mechanical, electrical, plumbing. And the A sheets are, of course, the architectural sheets. On the M sheet, the mechanical sheets, usually like 2.1 or 1.2, they call all this stuff out. Do not let your engineers have open season to determine what type of grills. And then I see a lot of these as well. Very common, but again, difficult to clean. These are angled slats, and I don't want to have to clean all that. So what is the answer? Lattice face. I discovered this not too long ago out in the market. It's flat. It's not like the egg crate. There's no other surfaces except for basically to wipe this. And in a future state, per USP 800, when you have to DDCD, deactivate, decontaminate, clean, and disinfect, is that a 2-step process, 3-step process? Who knows, right? That's up to you, and how that's a little outside of my purview. I would not want to have to DDCD either of these two designs. I would rather do the lattice face. So that's my advice. If you want to make something easy to clean, make it a lattice face.